Good morning. Another early morning. I'm out with the camels this morning. This area I'm in this morning, it's about 8 o'clock I think. I'm not check the time. But it's very, very jungle. I mean, it's full of small, sharp trees. I mean, this is the land. You can't walk through. It's so difficult. And all these trees, they got sharp needles. So sharp needles. Some animals like camel, they go through them. You can see the footprint. They go through to collect all the leaves that's dropped underneath the bushes. Yeah, they're loving it, but I'm not loving it. It's so jungle here. It's so scary. Ha ha. So jungle here. It's very worrying. All you can see on the floor is footprint after footprint. All kind of animals, even predators like hyenas. I've seen a lot of hyenas footprint about, and it's very, very scary. The land's owned by animals, mainly camel. You can see the amount of camels that are going past here. All of these are camels. I mean, they're traveling through this area like thousands, not hundreds, I'm talking thousands. Huh, thousands. All they do is munching and eating whatever they can grab. But the main thing that worries me is it's just so forest. You just can't see nothing. You just have to stand close to the camel, otherwise you're gonna get lost. Hello, my friend. How you doing? You okay, darling? Oh yes, you okay? She's alright. My best friend. Oh, she's always doing wee wee. You know these camels, especially the females. As soon as you come near them, they pull their tail up and they start doing wee wee because it's a sign of I don't want no drama. I want peace. This is a beautiful one. I'm blowing kisses to her. That's the way to get her attention. No drama. Nice. She's beautiful, this one. Beautiful. Oh boy, I've just pulled that out of her. See, that was stuck in her. Oh my god. It must be pain, but you know, there's another one in there. All these sharp little needles. You know, from these trees that they munching and eating. Hello, my friend. You okay? Similar height here. I think I'm taller than her. The only one that I'm not taller is the male. Male is over 6 foot. Me, I'm 6'2", and as you can see from there, I would say I'm taller than her. Definitely. You okay, darling? How are you? You made me breakfast? You never make me breakfast, you rat. All you do is run about and have me chasing you. Or do I have to keep chasing you? You know, stay home. They love being stroked. Oh boy. Am I loving here or what? I can say wish you were here. But nah, you're not here. I'm here. Where's that little idiot male? Is he having a sunbathe? There's one here that's having a sunbathe, I think. At this early morning. I don't know why he wants to have a sunbathe. I couldn't have no sunbathe. I couldn't have no breakfast in peace. I gotta run after them. No breakfast in peace, my brother. Stuck in the jungle. Today's January. I bet you people back in the UK are cold and freezing. It's the first week of January. I'm enjoying the sun. Look at the sun. Beautiful. Woo! Feel like I'm in Bahamas. Better than Bahamas. Oh yes, he's one of them is here. Little cheeky bastard. Sorry for saying that, but look what he's done. He's crawling underneath, getting all the branches underneath. He's a clever little bastard, isn't he? He's getting all them leaves that's fallen underneath that little flat tree. I don't know what they call these trees. You know, I used to remember these trees' name when I was young, but I left here when I left Somalia or Somaliland when I was about 7. I think, yeah, 7, 8 I left. And since the land was never like this. The land used to be open land with grass. Now, right now, you can still see some grass, but it's jungle, it's tree. I used to remember all of this land. I mean, this is the area I grew up. This is where I was born, believe it or not. And this land was just open. 25 years ago, I've not been here now for 25. I mean, when I left was 25 years ago. And 25 years ago, this land was plain open land. No trees like these. There was few, but not that many. Not like this. This is jungle. You can hardly see anything. This land's changing. Some people say it's good when it's like this because the animal gets a lot of, leaves and trees. But then again, some people say it's bad because you just can't see anything. People get lost. You imagine walking here at night time with a little torch in your hand. You don't even know where home is. Nobody can find a home here. Imagine the whole of the land, 50% of, more than 50%, I would say 60 or 80% of the land is gone like this in Somaliland now. Jungle. And this jungle the trees are not like rainforest trees, which produces a lot of leaves and a lot of things. They only produce few because it's so hot and it rains like twice a year. It produces a small amount of moisture, leaves. But the tree just keeps on growing bigger and bigger. And soon, the whole land will be trapped. I mean, like here. The path. That path now you see, soon that path could disappear. And everything could become like this. Just trees that you can't go through. That you have to escape. I reckon in 10 years time, the whole land will be gridlock. Meaning, no one will be able to walk through. Nobody will be able to do anything. It's overtaken by trees. And there's nothing the government could do because the government don't have the money to deal with these trees. There's no way they've got $1 to deal with these trees. And local people, they don't want to do anything. They don't want to burn it because there's a lot of little animals, insects, living underneath them. And we don't believe killing small little animals, so it's difficult. It's difficult. I would say just burn the whole land. But then the problem, if it burns, it will destroy livestock. It will destroy people. A lot of people will get hurt. A lot of people will die. So like I say, auf Wiedersehen, guten Tag, goodbye, ciao.